In Cambodia, we plant many tropical vegetables, and today we're going harvesting longbean. Usually it is harvested at 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. because the retailer will pick it up and selling it in the next morning. To harvest longbeans, you must take a gentle touch, select for the best and pick them one by hand. It takes time, but farmers must do because it's not one day for harvesting. It's a daily routine during the harvest season. Plenty of reaching, bending, and careful sorting to gather only the freshest produce. Bundled and ready, these beans carry the simple, natural freshness of local Cambodian farming. Today isn't, tomorrow will come, and harvesting will continue. Thank you for watching.